Hello everyone, myself Jwala Prasad Chaurasia, a student of Thakur College of Engineering and Technology, second year BTech AIML. So guys, today we are here to do the 30 days of Google Cloud program का second track. Yes guys, second track that is data science and machine learning track का first वाला skill batch यानी हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेस्ट एंड गाइज आप देख सकते हो इस हिसाब से हमारा जो फर्स्ट स्किल बैच है वो हमने ऑलरेडी ट्रैक वन में कर चुके हैं सो नो नीड टू डू इट अगेन सो इस पे हम चलते हैं हमारे सेकेंड स्किल बैच पे सो गाइज वी विल बी नेमिंग दिस सेकेंड स्किल बैच एज आर फर्स्ट स्किल बैच सो गाइज our first quest name is perform foundational data ml and ai task in google cloud so let's get into it guys. So guys, after clicking here I am got redirected over here. So first of all I will enroll in this quest. Guys, don't perform to enroll in the quest anytime because your task will be rendered over that only. So I will be starting with the first lab, that is AI platform quick start. Guys, it's so amazing, right? We had already completed our first track and this is our second track, and we will be completing our entire second track in the next 6 days. Okay, let's open our Google console. Let's copy the username and use another account. Control V and press enter. Let's copy the password and let's paste it. Now enter. Now let's these are the Google terms and conditions which we need to accept every time, guys. And again an term and condition is gonna come over here. Okay, let's wait for some time. Yes, it is here, guys. Okay, let's agree the terms and condition and continue. Okay guys, here we are. Now what is the setup? Let's see the setup of this lab, and we have already set it up. Now this is my first task. Launch AI platform notebooks. For that I have to get into navigation menu, AI platform and notebooks. Okay, here is our navigation menu, guys, and from here I will be getting into AI platforms. Okay, for that it would be in artificial intelligence. This is my AI platform and here it is notebooks. Okay guys, it's loading as you can see over here. Okay, it's already loaded over here, guys, and see this. What's our next task? After that, on the notebook instance page, click new instance. Okay, over here I will click on new instance, and from there I will select TensorFlow Enterprise 2.x with LTS without GPUs. Okay, from here I will click over here 2.x. Okay, over here 2.x means we can select any of the version, so I will be selecting 2.3 with which has LTS wala part. So okay, it's like let's select the 2.3 without GPU. Okay guys, and after that in the new notebook instance dialog, click the pencil icon to edit instance properties. Okay, I will be editing this instance property, so I clicked over here, and after that for region select US Central 1. For region I will select here US Central 1, and for zone select a zone with selected region. Okay, scroll down to machine configuration and select N1 standard 2 for machine type. For machine type we will be selecting N1 standard 2. Okay, we did this also. Guys, we are going into a TensorFlow, means we are gonna perform our this AI platform all in the Jupyter lab. So be conscious how am I performing. Just see it. It's very easy, guys. Okay, leave the remaining fields with the default and then create, and this will create a Jupyter lab notebook over here. Just wait for some time, and we have to get redirected towards again, and hope so, guys, who have liked my earlier videos. I have provided everything in those videos, and give me any suggestions you want to give me. Okay, guys, we are here. So after that, after a few minutes, the AI platform console will display our instance name followed by Open Jupyter Lab. Okay, here it will come Open Jupyter Lab. Okay, let's wait for some time, guys. We have to get into our Jupyter Lab, and it's really exciting to work with the Jupyter Lab. Those who have not used Jupyter Labs, uh, it will be very much exciting for you all, and it's very very important for all the data analysis and AI platform wala part. It makes everything very easy. And- okay, let's wait for some more time, guys. And within some minutes, it will come open our Jupyter Lab. It may take a few minutes. It's written over here, so no need to worry, guys. Okay, it's getting on, guys. It may take some time because an entire new resources are being creating for us. So let's wait for some more time. So this Jupyter Lab is setting for us over here. As you can see, it's loading again and again, again, again. So guys, let's wait for some more time. Oh, okay, guys, we are here. Now let's click on Open Jupyter Lab, and it will open in a new tab. So it's our Jupyter Lab is starting over here, guys. And it's like we have to see all the instructions over here very very carefully, because if we miss a single thing also, everything is gonna messed up. So guys, we are in our Jupyter Lab, and okay, clone the example repo within your AI platform. Okay, to clone the training analyze, so okay, we have to clone the example repo. For that, I will be clicking on terminal, which is over here. Okay, my terminal is here, and in the terminal, at the command line prompt, type the following. Okay, we will be cloning this way over here, and I will paste this command line and press enter. And guys, our entire source code is gonna clone it over here. It's like a simple git command. Let's wait for some time for it's letting cloning it. Okay, it's getting clone, as you can see. Hmm. It's a big file. I think that it may take some time. It's like saying compressing objects. Okay, next, see the next step. Confirm that you have cloned the repository by double clicking on the training data analyst directory, ensuring that you can see its content. The file for all Jupyter network based labs throughout these codes are available in this directory. Okay, okay, it's getting, guys. Yeah, we will be seeing a file after this compressing finishes. Okay, I think it's taking much time. I think. Okay, I will be doing it again, guys. Okay, it's already there, I think, and is not an empty directory. Okay, okay, I think we have done with this. No need to do it again. Oh, okay, it was done. In last I clicked it, so no need to worry. Okay, after clicking over here, we can see all the files and all the directories are over here. As you can compare it from here, guys. It's like boot, blogs, and all. Everything is over here. And after that, navigate to the example notebook. In entire platform, navigate to training data analyst slash self place lab slash AI platform quick start and open AI platform quick start.ip and okay, self placed labs. Okay, in here I will be going to in self placed labs. Okay, this is the self placed lab. After that I will be going in AI platform quick start. This is the, and here from here I will be opening this file AI platform ipnb. So guys, we are here and we have to perform the Jupyter Lab instructions. Okay, clear all the cells in the notebook. On the notebook toolbar, navigate to edit, clear all outputs, then run cells one by one. Okay, we are in the notebook toolbar and I will navigate to edit. Okay, from here, which is edit. Okay, okay, save the notebook. Okay, it's like editing. Where is the editing? Okay, 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 wait. I did something mistake, I think that this card. Okay, I will be opening it again. Okay guys, we are over here and all the outputs are clear already. No need to do that step, guys, and I will be starting by running. Okay, okay, clear all the notebooks in the set and then run cells by one. Okay, we have to run all the cells one by one. Okay, for that I will be clicking on this button. Okay guys, we are okay, we are done with this step, first one. As you can see here, when our running process is going on now, it will show busy over here. Okay guys, so it's like, see, it is busy over here, and when it finish it will show edit. It show that it's completed, idle. It will come in idle mode. Okay, again in idle mode. Okay, now next step, it's guys very easy, but sometimes na there have written some commands, so you need to follow that also. Okay, in next step. Okay, okay, we are done with this. Okay, okay, we are done with this. Okay, we are done with this also, guys. We are done with this also. See, it's busy. It's showing busy, right? That means that our Python is our this command, this is running over here. When it shows idle, then only we have to click on this run button for our next cell. Okay, let's wait, guys. When it will show idle, we will be moving forward again. See this, it's star, when it will come some number over here, we'll be moving forward. Okay, we are done with that also step, guys. It was a huge step. Huh. Okay, okay, huh. Now for next step, we are done with this. Now next step, guys. Okay, we are done with this also. Next step, guys, you have to do simply what I am doing. Okay, here also it's done. Okay, we are done with this 14th one, and it's like, okay, 15th step. Okay, okay, it's busy. It's showing busy. We need to wait. Okay, it's done. Okay, now run your Okay, we have to run this. Okay, it's done. Okay, it's again done. Set up a cloud storage. Okay, add the air, create a bucket using. Okay, okay, wait guys, we have to change something over here. We didn't got any error, right? Okay, here we have to do something changes in the cells itself. Okay, we have to do here only, right? Now we have validated your model, running it locally. Okay, okay. Okay, okay guys, come here, right? We have to come here. We didn't saw that only. Okay, here it is, where it is said that your project name. Okay, we have to replace this by project name. We will be replacing it with a project ID. Okay, we have to set these following values over here. Okay, and guys, after that only we can move forward. Huh, we will be setting everything. Okay, we will be coming over here and replacing our project name as the project ID. I will simply go back. I will come here. I will copy my project ID and I will paste it over here. So it's done. Okay, we are done with this. Okay, we have to set these values also. So for a bucket name we can give any bucket name. So I will go my. I will give it as I will give the name as my dash bucket and region as what we have set it as. Okay, we have set it a region over here, guys, as you can see. Okay, as we can see the region they have set it to set over here in the instance. We will set the same in same, guys. We will set it as same. What did they set to us? Okay, as I will set as region as US Central 1. Okay, now I will come here. Okay, now I will run this again from here. So I will run. Okay, what's the error? Okay, wait guys. So simply run this for these steps. Okay, okay. Something missing. Your project name replace with your project name. Okay, what's my project name over here? Okay guys, wait a second. I will be completing this also. Mm, let's give this project name something else. And region is US Central 1. And okay, I will run this command again over here. Okay, it ran guys. Okay, we ran this command also, and now check this command. Let's check, is Any traceback error came over here. Okay. All process error. Okay, 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 okay. This is the right. We will be fixing this also. Okay, I think we have to set some bucket name over here. My dash bucket. I will run this. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's wait and see what's the error over here. I think we missed something, right? Okay. Let's see where I missed these steps. And okay, earlier it was all right, and here something happened. Run your training job. Now that you have validated your model, the initial job request will, okay, this enables quick hire. First set the following variables. Okay, we have to, okay, our current GCP project name is, okay, okay guys, I think I have to replace uh, this thing over here. I mean, the project name. Okay, I think guys, okay, they have given this, right? We will simply copy this again from here, and I will put this over here and replace it, and try guys. Now I will run it. Okay, now I will run it. Now I will run it. Now I will run it. Is there any error coming? Let's see. Okay, it's done, it's done. You just simply have to replace that, guys, from there. And now forward. Let's go forward. Okay, okay. Now, okay. Now next step, run a single instance. Let's see something we have to, no, here no need to change anything. Okay, it's running, guys. It may take some time. It's showing busy. Okay, we are done with this. Set an environment variable with job ID generated above. Okay, okay, guys. Here we have need to change. So here in this command we have to replace our job ID. So we have got our job ID over here. So we'll copy this from here, and I will paste it over there. Okay. Hmm. So let's move on this command. So it's done. Okay. Go back to the lab instruction and check your progress by testing the completed task. Okay. Okay. Now what I have to do? Okay. Next test. Well, we are done with this. Now we've done this. Okay, we're done with this. Now I have to run this command, creating a version v1. Okay, something error, again an error. Okay, what was that error? Job IDs, error, failed, framework cannot be identified from model path. Okay, let's see and test what's the error over here. Let's check that error. We have to deploy our model over here after changing the name of the census. Okay, first let's check it's created or not in our jobs. Let's come over here, guys. And guys, you can see it's creating over here. It may take some time. Okay, guys, it will take some time. So I think that we need to wait over here also. Still, then this will complete. After that, only we can do this command forward. And guys, do check how am I doing mistakes also over here, and how I am correcting these mistakes by checking everything. It will really help you all how to see and rectify what are the mistakes, because I am actually doing it live, right? I'm not editing anything over, because I want to make sure that you all should get a genuine thing, which is actually I don't want to make that it's like simply I'm doing and finish. It's like it will make you it's like why am I have done and you are not able to complete, because it is like I wanted to show you all the errors also what I am doing, right? What the errors I am getting and what the errors I am doing. Okay. Let's wait for some time more, guys, to run this command. Let's wait. It won't complete because first of all we have this has to be complete. Let's refresh it. Okay, it is taking some time. As you can see, it's already taken 4 minutes 17 seconds elapsed time. Let's check some functions over here. Okay guys, it's taking some time. Okay guys, we are done with this. It's check mark over here, and now again come here and now let's run this. Okay, it's running. It's saying that it's busy, and we are done with this, guys. We are successfully done with this command also. Now let's run this. Guys, let's wait for some time. Okay, it's going on, it's going on. Let's check. We have, okay, it's already 80. Okay, we are with the last command waiting over here. Okay, our Python is busy. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so already getting complete. I think we should wait for some time, guys. You all need to wait in this command, guys. It's taking lots of time. I think that. I think I should check it over. It's completed. Our last step is only remaining. It's like our, okay. Let's check till this step one, step two. Okay, step 3.1. Okay, it's like 3.1, right? A model version is an instance of machine learning solution. Yes, true. AI platform offers training job and batch prediction job. True. Okay. Okay, let's wait for some time to get this complete over here. I think it's taking lots of time. You need to wait for some few minutes more. We are done with this. And after that, this last one. Wait, last one, guys. Okay, we are done with this though. And now let's check. We have completed our this task successfully. Okay, we have got all the 100. So guys, in this way we have completed our first lab of the first quest of the second draft successfully. So I should now end it. And guys, please do share my video, please do subscribe in my channel, and please share it as much you can. And thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you so much.